Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to send notifications on class booking confirmations or reschedule and also cancellations as well. Let's dive into the demo. In order to set up custom notifications, I need to set up automation rules. To access automation, I can navigate under communications, clicking on automations. In this instance, I want to create a new rule, so I'm going to click on add rule. And I'm going to be creating a rule from the scratch. For this demo, the use case that I'm going to use is sending class booking confirmation when a participant books for a class. So I'm going to call it as class booking confirmation. Under triggers, we have several options available, but what we are looking at is class participant updates as it's related to the participants updates for classes. Now that we have selected the trigger, next step we need to do is set up the conditions. I'm going to add a condition. For this particular use case, I want to send a confirmation when the class is booked by a participant. So I'm going to filter this particular rule specific to class participant status equals booked. And as you can see, we have several other statuses as well. And we have status like visited, rescheduled, no-show, and cancelled as well. Let's say reschedule scenario. If a class has been rescheduled from one date to the other, or the staff has been rescheduled from one staff to the other for a class, then the rescheduled status trigger will kick in and you can set up custom rules to send rescheduled notifications as such. In the instance of cancel, you can just filter out the class participant status to cancel and send custom cancellation notifications as well. We also have visited and no-shows. Here you can use it to send surveys or reviews, those kind of scenarios when the customer actually finishes the class as such. So I'm just going to use the book status because that's what I want for this demo. And I have several options to do, but what I'm going to do is send a WhatsApp template message. And we just set up a template message in the previous demo called class booking confirmation. So I'm going to select that. And I have personalization variables available for me. When I click on hash and type in, it filters out all the personalization variables available for me within the class. So I'm going to select class.client name. I want to put the class.class name. And this is where I want to confirm the date as such. And this is where time. If your class is an online class and you want to send the meeting URL as well, you have the personalization variables to do so as well. Online class link and online passcode as well. And if you'd like to add the duration in the message, you could do it as well. So, yeah, I can add something like class duration, add minutes in the message. So when the personalization happens, it will be replaced with the class name with the minutes as well. If you would like to send an email as well, you could do so by clicking on send email action, choosing the recipient client associated, and typing in the subject, and you can type in your message. Under the mail editor as well, you have the personalization variable available for you. I'm just going to type in the message. Now that I've typed in the email, I'm happy with that. I'll quickly review my automation rule and I'm happy with everything. I'm going to click on save. As you can see here, we have the class booking confirmation rule saved and it's active as well. So let's just test it out. In the previous demo, we have scheduled a few classes. I'm just going to go into one of this class and I can manually add a participant here as well. So I'm going to click on that and select the demo user save. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, I have received the confirmation successfully, and this is how you set up for other scenarios as well. Thank you for watching our tutorial series. Follow us to understand the other parts of Whautomate. If you'd like to sign up for a free trial account, please look at the link in the description and sign up for a free trial.